I'm in between jobs, but I really want to plant the plants. Okay, it's been kind of cold, but a little bit windy, and so some of the plants are flopping, and I want to get them in the ground before they die. There's a liatris, so that's going in first. I might already have too many plants in this area, but we're going for it. This is the blazing star, also known as liatris. It does have flower buds. Oh, there's a butterfly. I'm being a little rough because I'm in a hurry. The other day when I worked without gloves, I regretted it for days. I did take a significant amount of soil off of the root ball, so hopefully it'll be okay. There we go, it fits right in, level pretty much with the soil. Okay. I'm definitely looking a little haggard, but I think once it gets a drink of the water I just gave it, it should be fine. Here's the before. It's a little sad, but I really think it'll be okay soon. On to the next one. So these are the supertunia honey, and I have 3 of these. They're such a pretty color, like yellow and pink, but they look peachy. And I have 3 of them that are going to go along this edge here. I feel like using these a lot of times is a lot easier than a shovel. Looks like it's in peat moss rather than soil, the supertunia. I'm just adding enough water so that it gets soaked up and doesn't just roll down the hill. Once it soaks, then I add a little more. Maybe I'll make a little moat again. There we go. It's good to loosen up the soil around the hole so that the plant can have an easier time rooting. Wouldn't that be cute if it spills over the rocks? I've planted so many things in this area and they don't seem to like it here, so we'll see. Oh, I might have just dug up an echinacea, which also doesn't like it here because the bunnies eat it. I don't know if that's what these are for, if you're supposed to do that, but I like the ones where you can like push it and it pushes the plant out. Oh. This is the moonbeam coreopsis. I used to have some, but it died, so I'm really excited to have it back. That is the dark mystery hibiscus. There's the liatris I just planted. That's gonna disappear. This is gonna get 4 feet tall. So I'm thinking maybe right here. It used to be where that rock was. It's already budding. That's exciting. Looking good. Definitely needs to be watered. Probably planted that one too high. That dianthus is super hard and dry, so I'm digging extra. Okay, the last thing I have is this foxglove. It looks pretty good, even though it's a tiny bit limp. And then I have three of these hollyhocks. Look how pretty that is. So, also limp. Need to be planted ASAP. Right behind the foxglove, or the liatris. Here and here. This is the hollyhock. The bunnies eat the hollyhock, so don't know if this is gonna make it. I don't know if this is a weed right here. Ah, you can't see it. If you can't see it, it means it doesn't exist. These starters were just like $2 each, $2.50. Strawberry foxglove. Foxglove are biennial, I believe. So if you want them to come back, it's good to let them go to seed. Hopefully by this evening they'll be nice and taut. And then the last 2 hollyhocks will go there. Oof, that's terrifying. Okay, that was noonish, and now it is 7:30ish. Let's go see how the liatris looks. That's the one I'm most worried about. Oh, definitely looks way better. That one stem that was like totally bent is almost completely standing, so I think it's a success. Here's the thread leaf. And over there are the 3 supertunias. I forgot to plant that. The one I was saying was my favorite. Yeah, I love it. Let's go see the dianthus. Looks good. Looks really pretty with the lamb's ear. Oh my goodness. It's an egg. Robin's egg, I think. Cute. Maybe I'll plant the pincushion flower really quick, but it's cold. Much better. So this area right behind me is always empty because the echinacea that grows here and here that I've been trying to cover keeps getting eaten by the rabbits. Even when it gets too full for the cloche and then I take it off, the rabbit will come get it. So I'm thinking I might put this scabiosa here, maybe? I don't know. Or maybe here. I don't know. I just don't want it to be overcrowded by this dark mystery hibiscus, which will kind of take up this whole space. And then over here, this grass. But if the echinacea grows in, then I don't want this to be crowded because I love the pincushion flower. I think maybe here. Here? Here. I'm gonna plant it here. Also, there are a few leaves down here that look like they could be echinacea, but I don't know how that would happen since it's never gone to seed. It's never had flowers. Got my trusty scratchers. Oh no. No. Okay. Definitely not deep enough. Nope. I'm digging here and I wonder if this is hibiscus roots. It's coming from that direction. Oh, well, I guess we'll never know. Don't like doing this, but it needs to be done. Okay. Look. It's so cute. The pincushion. Well, while I'm at it, might as well prune the petunia, or deadhead it. I think with Super Vista you don't have to deadhead though. While I'm at it, I'll just pinch off the spent ones. How can you not love dianthus? Another reason why mulch is helpful, it keeps the dirt from splashing in the rain.